Jake, I really want to be good at reading in English, but I always feel lost. My eyes read, but my mind goes away.
Hey, don't worry, Sue. Reading is not about speed, it's about connection. Let's talk about how you can fall in love with reading again.
Fall in love with reading? I like that. Okay, I'm ready.
Great! Let's start your reading adventure.
I think reading in English is too difficult for me. I always feel tired quickly.
That's okay, Sue. Reading in a second language is hard. You're not alone.
Sometimes I don't know many words, and that makes me stop.
Yes, and when you stop too often, your brain loses the story flow.
So, what should I do?
First, don't worry about understanding everything. Focus on the main idea.
The main idea?
Yes, the big picture. You don't need to know every small detail.
Maybe I've been too serious about every word.
Exactly. Reading should be a journey, not an exam.
So, what should I start reading?
Read what you love.
What I love?
Yes. Don't start with heavy grammar books. Choose topics that make you happy: stories, comics, travel blogs, fashion magazines.
Oh, I like romantic stories and mystery novels.
Perfect! You'll read longer and enjoy more when the topic touches your heart.
That makes sense. Reading something I like will keep me interested.
Exactly. Love keeps you turning the pages.
But big books make me scared.
Then start small. Try short stories, news articles, or even English children's books.
Children's books? Aren't they too easy?
Not at all. They use simple words, clear ideas, and fun pictures.
I guess I can try something like The Little Prince.
Great choice. Easy words, deep lessons. Perfect for growing readers.
Okay, small steps first.
That's right. One short story a day can change your reading life.
When I see new words, I stop and check my dictionary every time.
That's normal, but don't stop too often. Try to guess the meaning from context.
Context.
It means other words around it. For example, the dog barked loudly at the stranger. You can guess barked means made a loud sound.
Oh, so I can understand from the situation.
Exactly. It keeps the story alive.
Wow, that feels easier already.
Good. Trust your brain more. It's smarter than you think.
Is it good to read out loud?
Definitely. Reading out loud helps your focus and pronunciation.
But I'm shy to speak alone.
You can do it in your room, softly. When you speak the words, your brain connects sound and meaning better.
So my ears, mouth, and eyes work together?
Exactly. It's like a full-body exercise for your English.
That sounds fun. I'll try reading out loud tonight. Sometimes I want to read, but I just forget.
That's why you need a schedule.
A schedule?
Yes, choose one time every day, maybe morning coffee time or before bed, and read for 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That's not so hard.
Exactly. Little by little, you'll build a strong habit.
I'll make it part of my daily life.
Perfect. Consistency makes you a real reader.
I often read slowly because I try to understand every detail.
Focus on the main idea of each paragraph. Usually, it's in the first or last sentence.
Oh, I see. Like a topic sentence?
Yes, find it, and you'll know what the paragraph is about.
That sounds simple.
It really helps. Once you know the main idea, the details make more sense.
I'll try that next time. I often forget what I read after a few days.
Try writing short notes.
Notes?
Yes, just a few words, new vocabulary, characters, or ideas.
So, like, the girl found a secret door?
Exactly. It keeps the story in your memory.
I'll use colorful pens for fun.
Perfect. Make reading beautiful.
After I finish a story, I just close the book.
Don't stop there. Try summarizing. Tell the story again in your own words.
Like saying, this story is about a boy who learns to be brave?
Exactly. That's your summary. It helps you remember better.
That's clever. I'll do that after each book.
Great. You'll see how much you actually understand.
I always try to memorize word lists, but I forget them fast.
Because words without context are like leaves without trees.
Wow, that's poetic.
When you read, you see words and stories. That helps your brain remember their meaning naturally.
Oh, I learned suddenly and whisper from novels.
See? Reading gives you vocabulary with emotion.
So true. I remember better when it's part of a story. I mostly read stories. Should I read other things too?
Yes, try different types. News, blogs, poems, recipes, or even travel guides.
Recipes? That's funny.
It's practical English. You'll learn new words about food and action verbs.
That sounds interesting. Maybe I'll read one recipe a day.
Great. Mixing styles makes your reading stronger.
You know, Jake, before today, reading felt like a heavy job.
And now?
Now it feels like a journey, full of colors and new worlds.
That's beautiful, Sue. Reading isn't about words. It's about discovering new ideas, people, and emotions.
I really feel that now. Thank you for showing me the way.
You did it yourself. You opened the first page, and that's the most important step.
Then I'll keep turning pages until I can fly through English.
That's the spirit. Let's make reading your daily joy.